It's Margarita, and I am back with another review from my favorite clothing brand, Bombshell Sportswear.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too. The way that you do what you do.
This just in. Now, y'all know if you've been watching their Instagram or their website, Bombshell Sportswear has been releasing the prints, and your girl is so happy about it. Now, I was not able to keep the cheetah print leggings because of that fit, that waistband, but check this out. The toggle shorts. Yes, I love the toggle shorts. So I have several pair of the toggle shorts, the original cut where they have the Brazilian waistband, and I love it for that. So I was very skeptical about getting these because, as you can see, they straightened out. I had it on backwards. Here we are. They straightened out the waistband, which was very concerning to me because, as you know, the Brazilian cut really gives a woman a more curvaceous look if she is not naturally built that way. I personally do not have defined hips, so every little piece of hip development and definement and all of that I can get, all the definition in the hip area I want. So I was very leery about getting these. So what I did, at the recommendation of someone who was in the comments of the post when they released this on Instagram, she said to size down. So that's what I did. I got these in an extra small, and the color is brown leopard. I normally wear a size small. For reference, I'm 5 feet 3 inches tall and 138. I toggle between 100 toggle short, not toggle, but no, I toggle between 138 and 140 pounds. So I'm somewhere in that window. I haven't weighed myself yet. But anywho, so I size down to an extra small. And what I do know is that an extra small is 1 inch smaller in the waist as well as in the leg, which is what someone from the brand told me. And it is true. I actually did a side-by-side comparison. Let me know if you want me to do a video comparing sizes of similar items from Bombshell. Let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to do that. But anywho, the color. I love the color. They have this color, they have a blue leopard, and they have, there's a third color. I don't remember if it was black. It might be black. Anywho, this one spoke to me the most. I love the brown. I love how it had the color definition because you got some burgundy like details. Love it. The original toggle short that had the that has the Brazilian waist, the cut otherwise is the same. I did a side-by-side comparison. So the back is identical. So if you have the original toggle short and love it, these will work for you too. And I sized down. What I like about the smaller size is the tighter fit on the waistband. Yes, I love that. What I don't like is the tighter fit on the leg. And I'll put some pictures up of me modeling this, but I really like the print. And my thighs are a little big for the extra small, but honestly, I'm willing to sacrifice that for the better fit in the waist. So that said, because they got rid of the crisscross, the Brazilian cut, and made this a straight waist, I'm okay with having the smaller size in the leg. I couldn't even rush up. Is that the word? Is that a word? I know they call it ruching or rushing when it's like, I should know this too. Anywho, I couldn't do the ruching thing. I couldn't adjust the toggle on this. I had to actually let it all the way down to get as much room as I possibly could because it was so tight in the leg. But boy, did it look great on the waist. And oh, honey, the scrunch butt. When you size down, it goes even deeper into the scrunch. I'll put it that way. I walked past my husband with that and he stopped what he was doing and he was like, oh yeah, I like those. I'm like, I bet you do. So, you know, anytime hubby gives you the seal of approval on how something fits, especially on the rear end, you know, you have to go back and get them in like every color, right? So I might be going to get the black and the blues. I don't know. We'll see if they have a Black Friday sale and I just might pick them up then. But I wanted to get on here and let y'all know that these are okay to get if you like the original toggle shorts. I just recommend sizing down if you don't have any hips. But let me know, have you tried these? Are you liking the new prints they're rolling out? I cannot wait to show y'all all the new stuff I'm getting because I've been getting something from Bombshell every week and I am loving most of it. You know, I have to send some things back, but that's just the nature of the beast. But yeah, I think my new favorite size for their shorts is going to be extra small, mainly for the butt fit and also for the tighter waist. I'll deal with the legs however I deal with the legs. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram at Margarita the Perfumista, and you can see all my fitness content there. I love Bombshell. Y'all should know this by now. Every week I release at least one video about the brand. It is my favorite brand. If you're athletic like I am, you want clothes that are going to be able to move with you, not just look cute on you. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.
Something that I see in you. I like that you know it too.